the clouds away, on our way to where the air is sweet. Is Hawaii very far from Sesame Street? It's a magic carpet ride.
Every door will open wide
to happy people like you. Naikeala, oh la la.
Sunny day, sleeping on clouds away. On my way to where the air is sweet. Hawaii's not so far. Hawaii's not so far. Hawaii's not so very far from Sesame Street.
Oh, this valley. Valley, you are so beautiful. And the morning is my favorite time. In the morning, she's silver. 5 minutes old, 5 miles long. In the valley, she's yawning. The sun will rise to see her smile. She has taught me her precious ways. And I have learned to follow its nature. She has whispered her secret.
TP.
You better load up the truck. We're ready to go. Just hold on.
Okay. Everybody ready? Mr. Hooper! Bob, come on! Bring Oscar!
Hey, take it easy with my crash in there. I'm not awake yet.
You said you wanted to go meet Buffy's friends, Oscar.
Come on, everybody here? All the kids
Yeah,
up?
let's get the can up.
Oh, wow.
Here, wanna scoot this over? Oh, goodness. Okay, ready?
Can I get some?
All right. Load everything up.
Sheldon, don't forget about the fire. Make sure it's out, yeah?
Well, we missing
Anybody here?
Wait a minute. Big Bird, come on! You're holding up everything.
I'm packing lunch.
Lunch? Come on, we have
See where we're
food.
going. It's so beautiful. You're just gonna love it.
Really?
Great.
Oh.
Hey, listen, do you think Nona would teach me some Hawaiian songs?
Oh, I bet she will. You know, she's taking care of Cody for me right now.
Oh, is she?
And she loves to teach people music. She's such a good teacher.
All right, everything ready?
Okay.
Let's go, Big Bird.
Come on. Come on,
I'm almost finished.
How long can it take us to put some birdseed in a bag?
I don't know. Knowing him forever.
I'm bringing some lunch for my pal Snuffleupagus.
Oh, okay, hurry up, miss. Hurry up.
What are you bringing?
Big Bird, what are you doing, Big Bird?
Oh, Snuffy loves cabbages. Can you help me?
cabbages?
Yeah, can you help me put them in the truck, please?
Everybody, you... All right.
Oh, good. Careful. Don't drop them. That's barely a snack. He likes to eat a lot.
All right, let's go.
I'm going to meet him later, and we're going to go search for that mountain.
The mountain? Everybody ready?
Yeah, you know the mountain that looks just like Mr. Snuffleupagus?
Oh, yeah, that mountain.
Get in.
Let's sit down. Let's sit down. Let's get going.
Wait, shall I sit
Oh,
over
wait,
here?
wait.
Everybody in?
Wait a minute.
All right, you guys.
Okay.
I'm on.
All right, everybody ready?
Yep, here we go.
Here we go.
Sweeping the
Clouds away, far away, to where the air is free. Can you tell me how to get to Samson Beach?
Are you Indian?
Yes, I'm Indian. What are you?
Hawaiian, Howley,
Hawaiian, Howley,
and Chinese?
and Chinese? Oh, 3 things. What are you?
Hawaiian, Howley, and Chinese.
Same kind. What about you, Sam?
Hmm?
What kind you?
Hawaiian, German, Mexican, Chinese.
Wow, plenty kinds. What kinds of people live in Hawaii, huh? How about you? What are you?
Hawaiian, Howley, and Chinese.
Yeah? Yeah, goodness, well, I'm Indian. Oscar, I'm Indian. This one is Hawaiian and German, and here's somebody who's Japanese and English and Howley and Chinese and all kind of people. What are you?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, I'm your bona fide good old green grouch.
You're Green Grouch.
Yeah.
Oh, you.
So all you kids live here in Hawaii, huh?
Yeah.
Well, what do you do every day? I mean, I notice all you go fishing. You hookilau. What's a hookilau? What's that?
Now, somebody
When you catch fish in the net. And you bring it in and then it's like a party.
It's like a party?
Yeah.
I'd hate that.
Isn't he something? What else do your kids do? All the time have fun.
Yeah.
Never go school?
We go school. You go school.
You go school? And where else?
Yeah. Church.
Go church.
Church.
Where else? Go shopping?
Yeah.
Gee.
Well, what about what about a lot of traffic? You can't go across the street because all the traffic, right? There's all not very much traffic. How about pollution? I mean, the water's probably too dirty to swim in, right?
We keep it clean too.
In other words, everything's just about perfect around here, huh? Grouches don't like that. But at least there's one thing.
What?
Well, with all this beauty around me and all this happiness and everything, it really makes me miserable. I like to be miserable.
Oh, Oscar.
What a nice big cave. Much bigger than mine back home, but nice and comfy anyway. Guess I better go find Bird and see if we can find Mount Snuffleupagus. Here we go. Oh, da-dum, dum, dum. Oh-dee-dee. Oh, da-doo. Oh, another day in paradise. Oh, it looks like a nice day, too. Ah. Oh, bird.
There is a legend about a mountain, Mount Ihu-Papa, Lo-Ihi-Hui, that looks like a big, brown, long-nosed animal, Mount Ihu-Papa, Lo-Ihi-Hui.
Hey, Snuffy, come on. We gotta get going if we're gonna find your mountain.
Oh, Bird, that ought to be easy. We've got plenty of time. Let's rest.
Easy? Are you sure, Snuffy?
Well, sure, I'm sure, Bird. All we have to do is look for a mountain that looks just like me. Oh, now that ought to be easy, huh?
Easy. You mean he'll have a big moundy head? The mountain will have the moundy head just like yours?
That's right, Bird.
And would it have a big moundy back like yours?
Mm-hmm.
And a long snuffle? A snuffle the way it sticks out front?
Oh, that's right, Bird. It'll look just like me.
Oh, boy. Well, that ought to be really exciting. Well, we better get going if we're going to find Mount Snuffleupagus.
You're right, Bird. Oh, I want to see my people, too.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Search until you find it, Mount Ihu-Papa, Lo-Ihi-Hui.
Apa. Maikai, children. Maikai. Oh, that was
Hi.
Oh, hello,
Hi, kids.
Bob.
Hi, Nona.
Hello, Bob. Hello,
How are you?
Maria. How nice of you to come by.
Oh, it sounded good over here. What were you doing? Thank you very much. That's
Oh,
nice.
sweet. Tell Bob what
Hello.
we were doing, children.
A number chant.
The number chant?
We were practicing our numbers.
Really?
Oh,
Isaac, can
yeah.
you-
What numbers? How high?
From 1 to 10.
From 1 to 10?
I like you too.
In English or in Hawaiian?
We were doing
Hawaiian?
Hawaiian.
You know, Nano, I was really wishing that you could teach me a song that Maria and I could teach to the kids on Sesame Street. Could you teach us one?
Children,
Yeah.
could we?
Because I don't think we've ever done a song in Hawaiian.
Oh, what would you like to have them learn?
The number
The
chant.
number chant. Why
number
not?
chant?
Why not? Ho'omakau
Is it-
means
What is it, makak?
ho'omakau.
Get ready.
That means
Laura?
get ready?
If you're ready, we say ah, yes. And pa means begin. Pa. E kahi, e lua, e kolu, e ha, e lima, e ono, e hiku, e balu, e va, umi. Kahi, olona, scrape. Lua, o hiki,
Bravo.
kolu, kaimana,
Diamond.
o pai,
Shrimp.
lima, puho,
Shorthand.
ono, mel, yummy. Hiku stars, how many? 2, 4, 6, 7. Valu, alu, chase the billy goat. Eva, kissy bird flying. Umi, beard of the billy goat. E kahi, e lua, e kolu, e ha, e lima, e ono, hiku, e valu, eva,
That's terrific. That's really good. Hey, thank you. Well, I'm sure we can teach them that one easily.
Yeah.
You can teach them.
Yes, would you like Bob and Maria to teach us something?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
You want to learn a song about the parts of your face?
Yeah.
Okay. Very simple. All you have to do is sing after me and sing out good and loud, okay? Here we go. Oh, I've got 2 eyes.
Oh, I got 2 eyes.
Oh, I've got 2 ears.
Oh, I got 2 ears.
And I've got 1 nose.
And I got 1 nose.
Wait, let's start over again. Oh, I got 2 eyes.
Oh, I got 2 eyes.
And I've got 2 ears.
And I got 2 ears.
Oh, I see with my eyes.
Oh, I see with my eyes.
And I hear with my ears.
And I hear with my ears.
And I've got 1 nose.
And I got 1 nose.
And I've got 1 mouth.
And I got 1 mouth.
Oh, I chew with my mouth.
Oh, I chew with my mouth.
Smell a rose with my nose.
Smell a rose with my nose.
Terrific. My eyes are for seeing.
My eyes are for seeing.
My ears are for hearing.
My ears are for hearing.
My nose is for smelling.
My nose is for smelling.
Here's a good one. My mouth is for yelling.
My mouth is for yelling.
Ah.
Ah.
Louder. Ah. Ah. Oh, I've got 1 mouth.
Oh, I got 1 mouth.
And I've got 1 nose.
And I got 1 nose.
And I've got 2 eyes.
And I got 2 eyes.
And I've got 2 ears.
And I got 2 ears.
Terrific. Now I've got them all.
Now I got them all.
Now they're all in place.
Now they're all in place.
Eyes.
Eyes.
Ears.
Ears.
Nose.
Nose.
Mouth.
Mouth. And what about
All parts of my elbow. All parts of your belly button. All parts of your big toe. All parts of my belt. All parts of my t-shirt. No. Oh wait, I've got it. Wait, I know what it is now. Eyes.
Eyes.
Ears.
Ears.
Louder nose.
Nose.
Louder mouth.
Mouth.
What are they all parts of?
Your face.
Right.
Your face.
All parts of our... What is it? Terrific. Now you smell with your toe, is that right?
No.
What do you smell with?
The nose.
The nose. Right.
The nose.
Give me 5.
Hey, Boogie. ¿Qué pasa? What's happening?
All right. How's it?
Oh,
Olivia?
everything's okay. Everything's okay. Say, what's going on here? What are you eating? It's for the picnic?
This is poi.
Oh, what is it?
This is made out of taro. Want to try
That's
some?
all I've heard about. Well, I'll try some of that if you try some of this homemade fruit pie I made just this morning from scratch. I got strawberries, peaches, apples, and blackberries in it.
Shaka.
What is this shaka business? Shaka. Everybody does that around here.
Means all right, you know, Hawaiian for peace.
For peace, just a little bit bigger, huh?
A wider one.
That's like far out, right on, all that kind of stuff, huh?
Right on.
Oh, okay.
Try some of this.
Okay, well, this is a 2-finger poi.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Some more?
Shaka, that's enough.
Right on.
There is a legend about a mountain, Mount Ihupapa, Lo'ihidui, that looks like a big, brown, long-nosed animal. Mount Ihupapa, Lo'ihidui.
Yeah, whew, bird.
Whew. Wow, Snuffy. So far we've seen Mount Hamster, Mount Guinea Pig, and but we haven't found any mound that looks like a Snuffleupagus.
Gee, Bird. I don't know. And I thought it was gonna be so easy.
Hey.
Look, Bird, look. There it is.
Yeah. But that doesn't look much like a Snuffleupagus. Why, that looks like the head of a gorilla. And it's got the shoulders of a gorilla, too.
Yeah, I can see the head of a gorilla and the shoulders, too, Bird. Oh, dear. I guess it must be Mount Gorilla, Bird.
Yeah. Oh, boy. One more mountain that looks like something. But we still haven't found Mount Snuffleupagus.
Nope.
Climb every mountain, follow every sun, search until you find it. Mount Iupapapa, Logi-Lugi.
Look. Oh, you know, I was thinking about when I was a little girl, my grandfather used to play the trombone and the marching band and used to play piano and teach me how to play and sing songs and all. And I was thinking about those songs that you guys were singing the other day, you know, about your grandfather. What's the name of it?
That's called In the Real Old Style. Our grandfather's really a beautiful guy. He taught Ken and I how to play the guitar and a lot of other stuff. Do you like that song?
Yeah, I like it. Why don't you do it?
Sure.
I'd like to sing
Love
along.
to.
My grandfather, he's a kindly man. He lives on homestead land. And sometimes he'd sing me the songs he wrote when he was still a young man. And he'd play in the real old style. Now these folks say I am the war, and they will pass away. I know that I'll remember them and the songs they used to play. And they play in the real old style. Now I'm a young man still, with many things to see. And someday when I grow, I'll sing the songs they sang for me. And I'll play in the real old style.
Oh, that's great. I like that song.
Thank
You gotta teach me some more.
Carrie.
All right.
Aloha.
Hi, Mananui.
Hi. That sounded really nice. What was that you were playing?
This is a nose flute.
Instead of playing it with your mouth like you play a regular flute, you play it with your nose.
Oh, hey, well, my friend, Mr. Snuffleupagus, has one of those himself. A really big, big one. And I don't know where he is right now, but I'll bet if you play it a little bit more, kind of loud, he'll probably hear you and join right in.
Okay. Your friend is very good, Manunui.
Oh, thank you. I know he is.
You know, Samson, it's so hard to explain to a visitor how different it is for us guys who live here and work here when they get to vacation all the time, yeah?
Yeah, I've been working on the truck whole day.
Are you two trying to tell me something like you got chores to do and I'm keeping you from doing them? Well, as a matter of fact, I do have to go in and help Bernie with the dinner or none of us are going to eat. Well, I mean, it's really going to be hard, but I guess I could help. You mean you know how to do more than just lie on the beach? Not
All
much
right,
more.
where is it? Where is it?
Where's what?
The hot lava.
What hot lava?
I didn't travel here 6,000 miles to come and see pretty flowers and beaches. I want to see the hot lava.
Listen, Oscar, there is hot lava in Hawaii, but it's not near us where we are now. Samson, maybe you can tell him about that.
Come on,
yeah?
I'd rather work than listen to Oscar.
Yeah, go work. Hey, Samson, is this true? You can tell me about the lava?
Oh, yeah, I'd be glad to tell somebody who came 6,000 miles to get to ask me to tell him a story.
Yeah.
I'd be glad to. Sure. A long time ago, there was this big mountain.
Yeah.
And inside that mountain was molten lava, red hot.
Molten lava.
That's rocks, hot rocks.
Hot rocks, so hot they melted?
Right.
Wow.
One day it got so hot it boiled and bubbled and blew a great big hole right through the top of the mountain.
Far out. Yeah, go on.
And then it poured out and covered everything up.
Everything up. Wow.
A long time went by, then a little grass started to grow. And then more grass.
Covering up the lava?
Right, going right over the lava. And then all these trees and all kinds of pretty flowers.
Wow.
And beautiful papayas.
But you mean the lava and the
Right,
wait a
it
minute,
goes-
stop it! Stop! I can't take anymore. What a shame to think that this used to be a grouch paradise. Oh.
Aite tae nave nave, ahoe i te wā. Whawhate mai ni arua, ahoe i te wā.
te moana, o te rapa o te hoe, wawha te mai ni arua, a hoe I te wā.
Shy and afraid, it made me feel like family when I look at all the friends I've made. Nice people, there are nice people, such nice people wherever you go. Travel far, travel near, fly away or stay right here. There are nice people wherever you go. Next time that I travel, I won't be afraid anymore. You've made me very happy, 'cause you showed me what good friends are for. Nice people, nice people, nice people, such nice people wherever you go. Travel far, travel near, fly away or stay right here. There are nice people wherever you go. Such nice people, nice people wherever you
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters D and M and by the number 2. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.